Hello, and today we're talking about props. Props are scriptable objects, and you can find them in the props folder. I have already chosen the kitchen wall. Let's take a closer look at it. The first setting is a type. This setting is optional, and if you specify it, all your props will be able to find this prop in the room. If you cannot find a suitable type, you can add your own. To do this, you need to edit the props type script. Just add the desired type at the end. Yep, it's here. The prefab is the prefab what will be created in the room. Prefabs may contain loads. To combine groups of loads, add the loads combiner component to the root object. You can replace it with any other prefab. If you enable the combine option, prefab meshes will be combined together. Note that it will only work if a combined builder is selected. Loads were also combined. If I'll disable the combine option, I'll be able to select any part of the probe. The shadows parameter sets the shadow mode for a combined probe. Origin position parameters will be explained when we will make a new probe from scratch. and now we're talking about place requirements. Here's a list of possible places representations. When I click on them, the button panel shows what the place for this prop should look like. The best place for that central part of the kitchen wall is the long wall with free space on the left and on the right. The question mark on the cell means what the state of the cell isn't important for us. To get more information, I'll switch to the combiner. Now I'll look at inspector to compare the representation and the real space. The cells in the inspector are the same cells in the game world. The left wall with question marks means what we don't care what will be there. There can be anything, we just don't check it. And the same for the right wall. The central part of the kitchen wall tries to find a place with free space for the left part of the kitchen wall and for the right part of the kitchen wall. If it failed, it should try to find a place for at least one part. In the worst case, it will try to find the place only for itself. Okay, let's check it. The central part has found a place only for the right part, because of the window on the left. The right part is created after the central, and the left part is created after the right. The right section tries to find the central section. The left section also tries to find the central section. You can think about the kitchen wall central section as a big mommy who is looking for the best place for herself and her children, occupies it, and then the children come and look for their mother. If the child has found a mother, but the mother hasn't found an empty place for him, he'll go to the orphanage. Okay, it's time to make something new. Something like a picture? Why not? You can use any object, but for demonstration I'll make a brand new prop. Okay, it's time to find some image. I like cats, you like cats, everyone like cats, I suppose. Well, let's use some cat meme picture. I'll create a new folder for this weird tutorial stuff to keep the project clean. Hello, Mr. Kitty. This is your new home. Next, we shall make a prefab for this picture. And now I'll make a prop scriptable object. Drag and drop the prefab. There is now the picture type when I'll made it by the script. And now we have the picture type. The origin position is the prop local position inside the props container. After creation, the object will be placed in this local position, and afterward it will be turned in the required direction. To set the origin position, I'll place our prop into the props container, and then I'll drag and drop this object into the target field, and I'll press the clone position info button. Okay, let's make a place requirement. I want to snap this picture to the wall, and this picture should look at me. I don't care what will be left and right of the picture. Okay, it's done, and now I should add it to the interior. Okay, let's check it. Where is my cat? Where is my cat? Oops. Okay, your direction isn't correct. Okay, I understood what went wrong. I choose the wrong wall to set the origin position. And if you encounter the same problem, just choose another wall. It's a little frustrating, and I'll make it better in the future. Oh, now it works. Let's make more. Yep, that's fine. Let's add it in the living room. Hello again, Mr. Kitty. What, well, let's fix it. Nice. Let's make something else. I am pretty bad at modeling, so I'll just create a mouse altar from primitives. I'll change the material of the floor to see the borders of the cell. I throw the mouse into the container to get the origin position. Okay, now we need to add space requirements. Let's put the mouse in the corner. To do this, I'll draw a corner. Now it should be created right here. Let's add our new probe to the kitchen interior. I'll put it higher to increase its priority. Well, it works as expected. And now, let's put the mouse in front of the table. I don't care about the walls around the table and around the mouse. All I want is to find the table. I almost forget to set the type of the probe that's looking for a mouse. The mouse found the table. Wonderful. That's all. In the next video I'll show how to replace windows, walls, doors, floor and ceiling. See you later.